Okay, so you're romantic, but you're also a geek. So a very simple solution. You go to blending, hit go. First thing you do, get rid of the default cube and replace it with UV sphere. Use edit mode to turn it into a heart. Oh, isn't that nice? Add subdivision modifier to make it look more like a heart now. Insert a cube. Yes, I know we've got rid of default cube, but that's fine. Now go to your new cube and give it a collision. Now go to your heart and give it a soft body. Get rid of the gold because that just makes everything look a bit weird. Go to edges. Let's leave everything as it is for now. And then go to cache. Turn it to 50 so it'll solve really quickly. And hit bake. That was pretty quick, so it can't be right. So hit the go button, and congratulations, you've turned your heart into a pancake. So let's go back to our edges and turn everything to 0.95 on push and pull, and plasticity to 1, and bending to 1. Go back to cache, hit the bake button, and see it's taking a little bit longer now to solve, which is pretty good. And congratulations, you've now got a bouncy heart. Isn't that nice? Right then, so let's go back to our scene and we add more hearts. Just duplicate them. Really simple. It'll copy all the physics, turn them all around a little bit so they look a little bit different. Add your cube, make it a little bit bigger, and just align everything over the top of it so it'll all hit the cube. Now we're going to set up our camera to make sure the camera is pointing at something interesting, but also give it a bit of rotation. There we go. Move your camera around. Change the background to a nice pink. Now make your hearts pink. A little bit pinker than that. Simple copy with Control L. Make the other hearts a little bit different pink. Change your scene a little bit and bake. This one takes a hell of a lot longer. You can see on speed it takes just a few minutes. On my computer real time takes forever and ever and ever and ever and ever. And then congratulations, you've now got this funky scene. Now you have to explain to your better half why this is more romantic than a dozen red roses.